start recording. I've not been recording because it's a practical class. Admin, start recording. Thank you. Certainly, I've not seen anything from your end, though. Certainly, I've not seen anything from your hand. Okay, Mr. Please record us so that we can go by it after the class. Then we have started recording. We have started recording. So I need answers. I need answers. Now, if you study it, I want you to look at the blog, look at the home page, and say something about them. Yeah, let's go back to Dr. Babalola's home page, and you go to the home page that you were taught. Okay, maybe we should even come up with. Maybe we should come up with. Let's check this guy's own. Dayo Shobowale. Let's check this guy's own. Now let's look at Dr. Babala's home page. If I want to go to that Dr. Babala's home page, what will I press? Everybody, can you just tell me? I want replies. When I ask this question, just type. As you see, how many are you in class now? As you see 19 answers immediately. Just type your own answer and leave. That's the only thing that makes me know you are in class. I want to go to our home page. What should I press? That's the question. Just type the answer. Because that's the thing that shows no, that's wrong. Yes, I'm going to press home on that blog. I hope you can all see my hand. Can you all see my, yes, I'll press home. So once I press home, it takes me to our home page. Joy, change your name. I don't want Galaxy S8. This is an advanced class. So it brings me to our home page. Now, can I tell you something about this home page? Now, listen to me, everyone. Well, thank you, Dr. Abalola. That's right. That's right. Now, this Dr. Abala's home page, you remember how many features we are supposed to have? Can you recollect? I want you to go through it and tell me if anything is missing there so that we can add it. We are going into real practical. 8 features. Thank you. Now, check and tell me what is missing out of the 8 features that you are supposed to add. Now, you go back to your notes. Should I bring the 8 features to you? Do you want to see it? If you want to see it, let me know. I'll bring it to you so that you can see 8 features. These are the 8 features. You remember? These are the 8 features. Now, you can write down these 8 features. You are in class. So write it down, then I'll show you the other side so I can make comparison. Yeah, check 8 now. Nobody has. You are not. I'm not seeing reply. I must see reply, oh, because I want to show you whatever you tell me is missing. Let me know from your analysis now. Mark it one by one. Are you satisfied? What do you have to say with this home page? I have some things to say, but I have been speaking for long. It's now time for you to speak. Should I ask if I unmute everybody to be noisy? That's why I'm asking us to type so that and if you think you don't want to type, you want to talk, just tell me to unmute you. I will unmute you. And because I must read from you. Social proof, contact email. Okay, contact email. Contact email. Okay, let's go down. Okay, the contact that there wasn't stated on Dr. Adira Avarala, it was written there that she can be followed by social media, but isn't there? God bless you. Now, social media, good. It has been, yes, social media. I want you to write that down. Social media. Martin, sorry about your network. Why don't you, maybe you can change venue. You can change venue. Sorry about that. But Petri, I've not been talking much. I've only given assignment. No publication yet on the no. Publication is a personal issue. I'm talking of professionally. Femi, I'm talking of professionally. There are 8 things. The 8 things listed. I don't think publication is. I'm not sure publication is part of what is needed. Publication is not there. Logo, navigation, headline, call to action, social proof, photos. Oh, Fatima Abacha has not joined us. She's the one that does all those analysis. I'm expecting her to join very shortly. So what I'm saying has nothing to do with that. Look at this. You have it on the screen from my end. You have it from your end. Okay, Sheun, Adawala.com, no social proof, no call to action. Sophia Adida, no pictures, no social proof, no logo, no plugins, no headline, no call to action. Thank you, Sheun. I love this analysis. Let me hear from others as well so that we can move on. Now we are making comparison, and I've not had anything from Dr. Taiwo, you are welcome. Dr. Taiwo, you are welcome. Okay. Now, from what we have added up, okay, no headline, no logo on www.adira.com. Okay, no headline, no logo. Do I check? What do you mean by headline? My profile, okay, no headline. This is the headline is home. Home, that's the headline. You see why I'm saying some of these things, and that's why I said everybody should write. Don't think you are understanding. Don't understand. Write something. It is whatsoever you write, I will correct. Now, who said, okay, Sophia, when you go to blogs, if you click on blogs, I click on blogs now, you can see here the headline here is the Nigerian educational system. How did we get here? That is it. Are you getting it now? So by the time you look at that, you see that the headline here is the Nigerian educational system. But the headline on home page for Alia Babalola is just home. Do you understand? And that can be changed. That can be changed. Do you understand? If I take you to the change site, I will be going there very shortly. And that's why I've been waiting for everybody to say something. Maybe the team makes the difference. Oh, Sophia, thank you. Sophia, you are making me happy today. Sophia, thank you. You are making me happy today. Some people are getting this concept. There are some things, there are some ideas I have added. You understand? Which, oh, if you want to check mine, Sophia, if you want to check my home, this is my own home. You see that what I have there is home. What I have there is home. That's home. Do you understand? And if you look at Alia Babalola's own, what she has there is home. Are you getting it now? So now, Dr. Babs, please, can you quickly forward to my email your pictures? I want one or two pictures. I'm sure you are welcome. I want one or two pictures from you. Forward it to my email because I'll be doing something very shortly now. I'll be doing something very shortly. So you see that someone is saying call to action. Sophia, okay. Now, that home, if you want it, if you want that home corrected, I'm moving now to the page where I can make corrections. That is the admin page. Admin page belongs to the people that have the password. Now, can you see this? This is our headline. If I change it to home page of Dr. Babalola, I'll click on updates. You know, that's what I just did now. Everybody refresh your page. You will see what will happen. Refresh your page where you are and see what happens. We have started. This is content management. I'm on the second phase. I've not taken the theory. I've started the practical. You understand? So that we can technically also wait for everybody to understand what we are preaching. Now, what did you notice? Have you refreshed? If you refresh, you right click and you click on reload. What did you see when you refreshed? Anytime I ask question, please, I want you to type your answers. Thank you. Okay.
It's
It's
now
now homepage of Dr. Abala. Yes, thank you. Homepage of was added to. No, it was not. It was changed. Yes, I love that. So you can now see that that is the heading. What you have on the heading is because of what I chose, and that is what I want you to understand. So let me now ask, Dr. Babala, what do you want to be seen as your heading? I wrote home there. What do you prefer? You can type whatever you prefer. But sir, the home on the navigation has also changed. Oh, good. Okay, someone is getting something. Someone is getting, I love that. The home on the navigation has also changed. Did you notice that? And that is why we only left home. Now let's see this. I'm going to change this to so that you can understand. Testing. Updates. Now check, refresh. What do you have? Now, okay, good. What do we have there? We have testing, right? Now you look at this. When you have refreshed, I have not refreshed. So with me, it's still showing home page of Dr. Babayola. But the moment I refresh, right click, reload, it's going to change it to testing. And what do you have here? Testing. Now the question is, do you want to have testing here? The answer is no. The best thing you can have is home. Do you know why I took you through this route? For you to understand when that place is the heading. I believe you are now getting it. So that place is the heading. So in editing, I will now return it to what it was, which is home. And the reason why, then I will update it. The reason why we left it at home is not because of anything. If you refresh now, you will discover that everything will change to home, including this place. Do you understand? I'm so happy that Toby was able to understand that trick. Once you change that place, it affects this place. And that is what I want to correct. I believe we are getting that. So God bless you. Now that you have gotten that, and that one is sorted, I want that to be sorted. That means that she has heading. Now we want to add pictures, and that is why I said she should send me pictures. Let me quickly go to my inbox and confirm pictures. Fully part of this class. If there is anything you don't understand, you do me a favor by asking me, because it's when you do that that I can be sure that I'm not wasting my time. You understand? If you don't understand what I'm teaching, it is tantamount to waste of time. That's why I'm not rushing. I'm taking it slowly, one step after the other. And I wish everybody can follow me. So okay, Dr. Awela, I've not seen it. Oh, I've not seen it. Now, but quickly, let me show you all these aspects. New share. Dr. Awela, this is my own mail. I believe you all can see this. When people make comments, I made one mistake. The mistake I made was at the beginning, I registered using my name. So we will still change that. Shobowale. My mail is Shobowale Adedayo at gmail.com. So that is why, for now, when anybody sends message, look at Abayomi Motajo made comment, Abdulwakil Ayoadeniji made comment, Dr. Motosho Jr. made comment. These are the people that have commented on Dr. Babalola's blog. Are you seeing it now? Oyeleye Elizabeth made comment, food for thought. Now, can you see all these people made comments? They kept on reading, they kept on commenting. Adeusi Caroline made comment. This is comment by Olagunju Akin. So Dr. Babalola is already developing a digital footprint. These are the things that Google will now be using to rate her. You see now, they will no more rate her as Dr. Babalola alone. She will now be rated in terms of education. That's where we are going. I don't know if you are getting me. I'm talking to you about. Sophia, these are the things I'm talking to you about, that by the time you get there, people now, when they will no more rate you as Sophia, what is happening in terms of what you are doing in your field. You understand? She has started writing on education. People have started commenting. But do you know what is painful? Please check again. I've sent it. Okay, ma. Now, do you know what is painful? What is painful is that out of this now, I didn't see Sophia's name. I did not, and you are digital friends. Joy, you see, Auntie Mule made comment. Lawa Titi HD. Now, Dr. Babalola, can you now see what you have known? That is the beginning. We call them organic traffic. Everybody write it down. Organic traffic. I want you to write it in your notes, and I want you to type it so I can be sure you are listening to me. Organic traffic are the people that they are your immediate environment. The people that are subscribing to you because of your existing relationship. Organic traffic. Oh, God bless you, my wonderful HOD. Organic traffic. Yes, Sheun, thank you. So organic traffic, like most of you here, you know me before started this business. So you are my organic. They are reading you not because you are good. They are reading you because not because you have written well, but because that's the fact. They know your quality. They know what to expect from you. So the organic traffic, thank you, Femi Ajeyomi. The organic traffic, and Falake, I love that. Thank you, ma. And Falake, call your sister now. Call Fatima. She should be in this class. So organic traffic, those are the people that will go for your work, to your blog because it is you. They will just want to visit because it is Joy Uweye. They want to visit it because it is Falake Margin. They want to visit because it is Aki. Oladimeji, pastor. All your church members are organic traffic. As an academician, all your students, all your customers are your organic traffic. But you will become excited by the time you know one thing about the organic traffic that they don't understand. The organic traffic, they themselves, as though the Google will rate them. Now I want you to do something. Sheun, Mr. Lalere, and Sophia, and Dr. Taiwo, go to that site of Dr. Babalola and make a comment. Make a comment and submit. Thank you. I want you to, those of you I mentioned, if I didn't mention your name and you have access, go there and make a comment. Oh yeah, make comment. Go to that site and make a comment. That site itself, you will open that site. If you have read it before, if you have not read it, I won't wait for you. You understand? If you have read it before, make comment. If you have not read it, just make a general positive comment and say a little thing about education. You understand? Then you say. So we are going back there. I have to take you through the process. Dr. Babalola, I mean, everybody, are you seeing it now? the email you use in registering, when they were asking for email, I used my email. I shouldn't have done that anyway. I'm trying to contact them so that I can change it. I've created another email for her. That is alirablog@gmail.com. You understand? That's what I'm using for subsequent people. You understand? So that to be your special email. So you are going to be monitoring. You'll be monitoring everything. Everybody that makes comments, this is how they will bring it for you. That is what we call, that's part of content management. Oh, look at this person, Adewusi Caroline. I know this madam, Dr. Adewusi Caroline. Dr. Aweda also knows her. The two of them are best of friends. So I am motivated that I need to go back to the foundation of my, and she's also an educationist. Yes, that the foundation of education we hold determine our goals. Now, this woman, Dr. Babalola, Auntie Alira, you are not doing well. Oh. You didn't tell your friend to come and register. With what she has written now, is she not also qualified to have a blog? She's qualified now to have a blog. Okay, this is your she's qualified, so please tell her to come and join us. Auntie, you don't have any picture that is not personal, that shows you walking or something. All your pictures are personal pictures. There is no picture where you are teaching students, because you are talking of educational. Once you, if you have written and you have said, let me know. Now we are going back to that. Okay. Okay, please check. Thank you so much, man. Now we are back on our profile. She has sent me 2 pictures. Are you following, please? I want to add those 2 pictures. I will come here. Are you, please? I want everybody to follow me, please. Do I have your concentration, class? Admin. Okay, thank you. Now I'm going to be adding a picture. Okay, thank you. Sorry. Now you see why my profile, my passion. Over here, you see something like add block. I've clicked it. I clicked on gallery. Barrister Lalere, please. Okay, I saw you were trying to walk out of your initial place to get network. I don't want anybody to have network issue, because I'm teaching some deep things today. This CMT online classes. Sorry. Picture. This is the picture she just sent. Actually, the second picture I should use should be a picture when she, wow, Auntie, this is interesting, very interesting. You know you are old school already, but look at how beautiful you are looking. Oh, my HOD, you're around. Ah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that's the problem we are facing. No. Now you can see the two pictures. There is something I want to do which is very important, and that is one of the ratings. Now you see, can you see this? Can you see this green? Someone is there. Are you seeing green here? SEO. Can you see it? One of the reasons why she has green is because, oh, good, SEO, very good. What's the full meaning of SEO? What's the full meaning of SEO? I want you to type it. Oh, good. Thank you, Sheon. Search engine. I was also typing it. Optimization. I want everybody to type that. I have typed it myself, even myself, the lecturer. Everybody type it. Thank you. SEO is search engine optimization. Type it. And for that, thank you. Okay, I was asking a question. I never knew my mic was off. I said, what is it showing on your system? Is it showing that same thing? But while you are trying to answer, you know why it's giving us green? It's giving us green means that it has passed the search engine optimization test. And that is where my own expertise coming. Look at this. Search engine optimization. This is one of the reasons why I will help you to keep your site for the first 2-3 months before I will hand over to you, because now look at this. It's now showing this. It has tested you. This is the rating that Google will follow. You see that? You see, good job, good job, good job. No internal links appear in this page. Improvements. This part of your key phrase. That this is, so it has looked at all this. This is what they mark. Can you now see that blogging is not joke? So when we say that content management, all these things have been marked, and that is why it's showing this. Now, the reason why this green, this one is saying fear, that's why it is this color. If it is wrong, it's going to show red. If you pass, it will show green. Now look at this. It's showing that because of this, it's caused the copy scores 46.7 in the test, which is difficult to read. We don't normally blame people for this, because the way they expect you to write at times, if you are a lawyer, for example, you can never pass this test. This flex reading is, because you will not be writing simple English. So transition words is also a special aspect which I'll be training on later. But the reason why the reading is good is because now passive voice consent, this one now is not really part of my work. I want to clap for Dr. Babalola. She's a very good writer, and that is why she's able to have this pass. You know, she did not know. By the time I'm going to take her through some trainings, it will be easy for her to use, she will be conscious of how to do the transition words. They want you to, let me look at it now. For example, if I want to pick her up on transition words, I've clicked on it. These are the things they want her to correct. Can you see? These are the things they want her to correct. Can you see that some of these things? This one says, I am equally passionate about developing young female adults. Oh, sorry, I wrote this. I'm equally passionate about developing young female adults and young couples. Now, well, I don't know what they want. In addition, I render assistance to families facing challenges which requires counseling. Okay, that word which requires counseling, it's a bit technical for them. You understand? So if I come here and which requires counseling, if I come here and I put full stop, you see it. Now, which requires, is still showing me that, well, don't let me go that route because of time. That thing can take us another 2 hours trying to fix it up, but that's not the issue. Now you have seen how to add pictures. I'm now going to change something that is not your, well, it's a bit, I will show you so that you can know it exists. Edit as HTML. By the time I pick that, it's showing some words you may not understand now. This one is a bit technical. That's why I was asking you to answer those questions. So if you look at it, under alternative, I will just write Alira Babalola. There is something you would write under it, but it's not every time you write Alira Babalola. I will explain that to you later. I just want you to see it. You are seeing it for the first time, so I'm not expecting you will understand it. I just want you to see it. You don't need to understand it. So when I explain, you will now understand. Alternative, Alira Babalola. So Alira Babalola. Okay. So after that, I will come to this edge and I will say edit visually. It's now here. So from there, I'll click update. After updating, it has updated. Now you refresh your page and tell me what you see. Refresh your page, everybody, on Alira Babalola, and tell me what you are saying. Refresh your page. Now, do you like what you are seeing? Are you getting it? What did you see there? You can see a picture, isn't it? Good. So a picture is added. I can decide, to me, the picture is too, yeah, thank you so much. To me, the picture is too big. So if I go back to edit, I can work on, yes, someone is saying something. It has added that pictures, very good. So I can go here and decide to edit. I can go here and decide to edit. So that I can okay. Well, I will be Dr. Babalola. I'm adding a name, Dr. Adamala. So over here now, actually my expectation is I should have another picture of us where she is doing what she claims to have been doing for years. Yes, it has added her new pictures. Thank you, Miriam. So what is she now? I've added her names now, and that is how it will be going. I have left a comment on our post. Okay, we will check that. Now, if you look at it now look at mine. If you look at my own here, you discover that what I have here is 3, the pictures. So if you look at these pictures, this is me, this is a seminar, this is a seminar. So it shows what I am doing. And Sophia, that's why I was asking for your pictures. The ones you sent, so because that's what we will use. People don't understand. Okay, thank you so much, Reverend Joshua. Now, you see this? Now you can see what I'm writing. Now look at another picture of mine, talking of, because I'm selling, that's why it is .com. Invite Dr. Dayo Ali as a guest speaker. If you invite me, you are going to pay. Now you see, because my pictures, you see this now, you can see this. I have enough pictures. It's a hair, okay? You understand? So you can see, then as you begin to post, your recent post will now be aligned. Do you understand? Now, this is what you are asking for, the social media. I'm going to add that to hers now. I wanted you to then 3 thoughts on home. That's the thoughts, those who have commented. Now, the day they comment, this one commented on April 6th. That's my wife. This one commented on May 10. This person commented on, this is my HOD. Today's blog class is great. And you see, the person who wrote this on May 30. That's about a week ago. Now, that's what we are talking about. That person is in this class. I have sent extra ones that has me teaching and giving lecture in a seminar. Okay, thank you so much, Sophia. So are you seeing it now? So this is it. Have you learned anything? Please leave a comment. So when you type the comment here, it will take your email and your address. So you see it now, and then you post comments. Now, some of these things that you have seen, it doesn't happen overnight, and that is why I have left other blogs so that you can witness the way it operates. Do you understand? You can witness the ratings and understand the workings. I'm still going to reduce these pictures so now you can see now picture speaks. If she adds more picture here, it will be better arranged. Do you understand now? It will be better arranged. So having said this, we will now go to so that's content management. Content management. I'm not still too happy with our number in class, but let me quickly take you through content management. It's just a few it's just a few what will I call it now? It's just a few slides. So we'll go through it, content development, and we'll be able to. Now let's look at this. Can you see my page now? What makes a good blog? In the general scheme of things, a good blog is one that gives its users great content regularly. Dr. Abayola and Sophia, I must commend the two of you. Though Sophia, I want you to write more. What you have written is good, but I know you can do better. You have not written so long. I will take you through that. So then you have to give a great content regularly. That's when people will take you seriously. Content that enriches those readers' lives and gives them something to look forward to for the next time. There is something about Dr. Abalola's blog, which I think we should show and commend. I have sent extra ones that asked me teaching. Yes. Okay, yes, I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen it. I couldn't attend to it because of the colloquium. You understand? Now, so now I want to show something about what Dr. Abala did, which I appreciate. Let's go to blogs. I've gone to blogs. Look at the way she rounded up. Now, you see, this picture now, so it's not as big as this on the phone. There is nothing I can do about this. I was going to say that. Now, this picture, my own, what you saw in mine, what you are seeing here, what you saw in Sophia, nobody did it. Oh, it is team. That's it. When you saw my email showing, it is that particular team, different design, but it will not affect the content. It's going to also immediately change some things, some values. Now look at what Dr. So okay, these pictures now they are added to Express, because in blogging I will still help you with pictures until you are good. That's why it's going to be continuous. Now, is the Nigerian certificate just a paper? This is my second question, and the story is for another day. Dr. Abalola, thumbs up for you. I love that. It's a very, very, very good one, because she said, oh, is Nigerian certificate just a paper? That's the way it goes. You see, this is content management. This is my second question, and the story is for another day. Now, if you look at the way I put one of the things I wrote, I'm going to show you. Now, that's content management. I wrote something about parents. And this is number one, financial increase. Okay, I'll click on this. Because, okay, now if you look at the financial increase towards the end, what did he say? In conclusion, to increase your this, okay, golden opportunity. Here I was selling, of course, businessman. I was selling here when I said, therefore, you will do yourself a lot of disfavor if you fail to maximize this golden opportunity to launch yourself and your business to be okay. Register for training. So I have brought the word in conclusion. The one I'm looking for, I've not seen it. I wrote there I wrote something there that says, who am I? Reality 3, no. Where is reality 2? Number 2, financial increase 1. Filling the missing gap. Financial increase 2. Let me see if I ever wrote it here. You see, that word is the story for another day. Is one. Another issue that is where I rounded up in one of my, before I started this business. Please don't be left behind. Another thing, Dr. Abiola, which you don't have, is quotable quote. Can you see this? Please don't be left behind. That's the danger you must avoid, Dr. Dashobuale. That's quotable quote from me. Now, another quote. Okay, this one is not from me. You see, that's another. If there is one thing that has come out of this whole lockdown, period, is the fact that digital is the way forward. We do not need the same complementary staff to take to where we are going. You see, that's which way the Access Bank MD, that was what he said. I quoted it and I included it there. You see, those are the ways, those are the things, part of the things you are going to be adding to your contact. Then apart from that, the mentality 5, I want to see a place where there was one word I gave to show that you are continuing. Do you understand? And that's content management. Content management. Now, there is something else I want to tell you, that the pictures, well, that is, okay, look at this now. Though the physical shops are counting losses, yet the digital world is making profit. That's quotable quote from Dr. Dayo Shobowale. Locking down the physical world is opening up the digital world. That's the quotable quote from Dr. Dayo Shobowale. So you see that. Now, stop doing for fun what you can do for fun. That's quotable quote from Dr. Dayo Shobowale. These are ways of building some things. So now, okay, and your mentality may differ, but it will only lead you to suffer because the reality will not shift. You get it. Those are quotable words. I love that word so much. I had to write it down. So those are the things that I will need to explain to you in terms of content management. You must write for them to expect something. Do you understand? If you look at my question, why are Nigeria? And I love this method, Dr. Abiola. My question. Everybody has his own method. Today I'm talking about content management. Let's quickly look at Sophia blogs. Sophia blogs. What you are seeing now, I'm going to change it. I only wanted you to see it. It is one of the themes. The difference between stop doing for fun, what you can do for fun. One, yes, thank you so much, Auntie Eshegoma. Thanks so much. That's it. So now you see that Sophia, you don't have any quotable quotes. You have to start including it. Now, what are you reading to get you through the lockdown? This is a very good question. But this question now, you did not provide an answer. You should have added a word so that they can look forward to your next. Can you see that this question and Dr. Abela's question, they are the same? Look at Dr. Abela's question here. She said, is the Nigerian certificate just a paper? This is my second question. And the story, but it's not telling them to look up to the other day. We are not expecting anything from you. You understand? You should speak to tell us to be continued. You understand? That's something else you need to ask. So, Sophia, a nice question, but those of you, my daughter there, Joy, you are in hotel management. You should write. These are people writing in their field. And for that, you should write on design. Books have other properties aside from meeting educational purposes. Books are an instrument of improvement from time memorial. A good read helps to open ways to our feeling and emotions to blossom. Now, this word, if it is from you, Sophia, it's enough as quotable quote. That word is enough. Suspense. Make your audience, oh, Sheung, thank you, Sheung. Oh, thank you so much. You are a wonderful sister. Thank you so much. It's suspects. They want to come back. They want to come back. That's content management. It could transport the reader into particular character. You see, Sophia, you have to manage your content. That area, that's why I was saying go and write. I wanted everybody to write because that is what I'm going to correct. You have different styles. As a young adult, now, have you read a book that changed your life? You are telling your story here, which is very good. Do you understand? So what are you reading to get through? So these are things. Now, if you look at this, I've not placed you on SEO yet. So it's not scoring you on SEO. Do you understand? So we will soon get into deep publishing, but we are not publishing yet on that. Do you understand? So you have seen this. I'm going to still add pictures, add a lot of things. I just wanted to have a look and a taste. Now, quickly, let me take you through the theoretical lecture for today. I said here that content that enriches those, a good blog is one that compels the reader to tell all their friends about what they are reading. Now, what is content management? What's a content manager? A content manager's role is to develop a consistent brand identity for a company and establish its online presence. You are your own company now. This job involves overseeing marketing strategies to engage customers and ensure that they have a positive view of the company and its products or services. Now, there's something I need to tell you about this. When you talk about content management, we have people who are young here, people like Joy and the rest. You see, content management, there are two aspects. The first aspect is what I'm showing you in terms of how to write. The second aspect is what you do as a content manager. Some people, as we have hotel managers, as we have bank managers, we have content managers. And content management involves everything going out from the company, including marketing. So with content management, it's only a profession with a bright, it's nothing to advertise online. That's it. Look at what we are showing now. We are showing Sophia, we are showing Babayola, we are showing Shobowale. Everything we are showing, that's what we are advertising online. And that is what people will want to read and comment on. All the comments you put on Babalola's blog is because of what you have read. You see, those who took time to read it very well, you can, in fact, some people have called me to tell me, Alaja is online already, she has become digital. I said, that's how it is now. Nobody is stopping you from being digital. So are you getting it? So with content management, it's surely a profession with a bright future. It's a profession. And I want you to understand that it's a profession and it's something that you can base a career on and tell me that you are. If they ask you what are you doing, you can tell anybody is how serious content management can be. So another thing is you need to understand about content management. Let me move on. Is this content managers are tasked with building a brand identity? Okay. Now in marketing, okay, this involves developing content strategies. Now I'm going to talk about content strategies. I wish I can see your faces. So now content strategies is major. Please get this very, very clear. When we talk about content strategies, under content strategies, you are talking of how to push out your content. Let me pick 3 or 4 cases. I have education, I have books here. You understand? Number 1, you can write about importance of books. You can write about application of books. Then you can write about the emotional psychology of books. You see, you have to spread it. Content strategies. You have to plan it. It's not as if you just wake up and type anything. Do you understand? In terms of books, you have to put, and when you talk about education, education and the soul, education and its impact on life, if you compare the educated and the non-educated or the less educated, these things, content strategies, yes, you block the video images from your end to Dr. Auntie me, don't mind me, Jare. And like, you want to see your Aburo's face? Here I am. Here I am. Very simple. So content strategy. So in that content strategies, you have to ensure that you make efforts. You write it down, not on the computer. Write it down. Strategize. I wish I can show you everything I'm going to post in June, July, August, September. I have strategized them. Those who attended my colloquium yesterday, my colloquium is just the beginning of a monthly seminar, which is free. Now, that's the second aspect, which I'll be taking you. If after being a blogger, you should become a YouTuber. And what can make you a YouTuber is for you to be a blogger. So once you are a blogger, now Dr. Abala is a blogger, Sophia is a blogger. When you begin to write, those people that now subscribe, then you will tell them one day that you want to do a live training. Live training. You don't need to, since it's not business. What I did yesterday, I didn't collect money. You understand? But from there, once you are good and you speak to them, and for like this is what we call blogging. This is blogging. There is no way to put it. I believe Shehu is saying it too. You said you wish you could say our Facebook, but it is majorly from admin. No, it's not from admin. No. Okay, your own. Okay, I will check. Let me go and check. That your own, it seems. Let me see. It's possible. Okay. It's blocked from our ends. Yes. For our own video. So now in marketing, digital content managers typically run e-commerce websites and continually update their pages. Do you understand? They update their pages. You see, digital content managers typically run e-commerce websites and continue, and that's what I'm doing for most of you now. For both Dr. Babala and Dr. Sophia Adeyeye, I am updating and managing your pages for you. You understand? Though I've not started collecting money, but normally, if you are going to do it for people, that's what I'm showing you. You can do it for 2, 3, 4, 5 people. It will be at a fee. It will be at a fee. So that is something I think I want you to understand, and I want you to be part of. It will be at a fee. Do you understand? So God will help us. Those are the things I want to say. What else am I going to tell you? Okay, digital content managers work through web content management system to track changes in content and check to see links are working correctly. Dr. Awala, if you take notes, you discover that I changed the topic of your post. I added something to it. That is my work as a digital manager. You understand, ma? So finally, okay, a successful content manager possesses detailed research about the targeted audience. Now you see, you need to know your audience. Dr. Teller, in your own field, you also have to write and get yourself appointed to some things as these people have been doing. Know the audience really well. Conduct detailed keyword research. This keyword research, if you check the last page, you will see there that there are some words that I use. Let me quickly show you that before we call it a class. The keyword research is very, very important. You look at this. If you go down where the scores are, okay. Let's go home. On the home page, you can see. Oh, sorry. If you look at this place, SEO, where she scored high, you discover that, look at the keywords, focus key phrase. What do you see there? Please. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Quickly type the 4. That's where I'll be rounding up. Quickly type the 4. The 4 things you saw. Thank you so much. Key phrase. Be fast. I have my reasons. Please, let's be fast. Nobody is typing. Okay. Educationist, counselor. What else did you see? Is that all? That cannot be all, my dear. No, no, no. Passionate teacher is not there. Keywords phrase. Passionate teacher is not there. Thank you, Sheun. Alira Babalola, educationist, counselor. Now, did you all see this? Oh, good. Auntie Falake, God bless you. Now, quickly, let me show you something again. Now, that is our home, right? Now, let me quickly take you to our blog. Now, okay. On our blog, you will see something also. Okay, but now look at this. Oh, this okay. This is not the latest blog. Sorry. What I want this thing to give me is not giving me. There's another one I want you to see so that I will use that to explain fully. Okay. Now you see, because of my time, what you have here, okay, this is the latest on our blog, and I want this page to give me what I want. And this page is not giving me. Now you see, if you look at this particular page, okay. Okay, now look, what can you see here? Look at the SEO. What do you see in the key phrase? Can you tell me? Be fast. This is where we will continue when we meet later in the day. Oh yeah, type it, type it. What do you see there? Key, focus key phrase. What do you see there? What do you see there, please? Thank you, Sophia. The Nigerian educational system. Now, let me explain this to you, everybody. This is what, don't remove Dio, everything. Now, okay, look at something. If you look at this part, where we'll continue in the evening, we will continue in the evening. Now, these things you see here, that is what Google will use in rating R. And that is the first assignment under SEO. So, because of what she wrote, you understand, because she doesn't have that idea, she has written, but what she wrote is not giving me a way. That's why I had to add D. Normally, you need 4 key phrases. You look at what people will likely type. They will type Nigerian educational system. Anytime they type Nigerian educational, that will be rated. So that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. So now by the time you look at it, in rounding up, coming back to this place, you see that you must, your keyword, conduct detailed keyword research. So before you even blog, you have to think of the keywords. What are keywords? The likely words that people will type when they want to search online. When they are looking for education, you don't just put in a name. And I also wrote educationist counselor because I'm selling, she's selling herself as a counselor and educationist. So you have to write consciously because there is an end at the back of your mind. So the next blog, Dr. Awala, that you are going to be writing now, you have asked a question. You will retain the word educational system. You'll be eating that aspect. And Folake will be eating fashion design. Joy will be eating hotel management. You will not add one or two words, but you'll be eating at that keywords. There are some keywords that you will not toy with. You understand? It will reflect in your topic, then you flesh it up with other areas. If you have scattered topics, that's it. You are going to have a bad content management. So I will still take this. We are going to meet by 8 p.m. Your content managers have to be organized, detail-oriented. I'll be explaining this to you. Creative, and they have to have good understanding of marketing, SEO, and speak and read and write good English. Brethren, the assignment for you is everybody should go and write a content, a post, 8 p.m. inshallah. Amen. Everybody should go and write a post. 8 p.m. That's your own 3 p.m. man. So now everybody should go and write a post. You saw what Dr. Abala wrote. Go and check what I've written. Go and check Pastor Nathaniel. Pastor Joshua. Go and write something. You can pick the life of a good Christian. Write a post. Dr. Abala, write something else. Between now and then, even if all you can write is 2 paragraphs, I want you to make sure you have written something and send it to my mail. Does that mean that repetition of what is allowed? There is a way we will coin it. If we get to a level, it won't be allowed, but there is a way we will do coin it that it will be allowed. Do you understand? That's where practice comes in. I love that word. You understand? So write a post. That's why for those I designed blog for, the first 2 months or 3 months, I provide it for free to guide them into becoming good writers. And that's part of what I'm doing here today. So God bless you all. God be with you. Dr. Ogunjobi Taiwo, your blog, it's high time you have it. I have been thinking of calling you, but now let me tell you in class, it's high time you have it. My dear brother, Brother Samuel Oyeboade, please, you have to do something too. You have to do something too. Please, you have to do something. Try and get across to me. You have to do something. It's necessary you get something done. So everybody, you write something about your field. Yes, you have to, something about your field. Apart from your profile, which you have all written, you understand. Write something about your field, library, education, whatever. Dr. Adepo Juma, I think you're out of. So the admin will paste this again. So we'll meet by 8 p.m. Thank you. God bless you. Get that written and send it to my mail. 8 p.m. our meeting time. God bless you.